Kakirtong kaseng NPP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ikong Ampareen Lyngdoh. Ilapan pa wakamdan kano ke Jingpynsngew ni Jingpynsngew Pyrshah kaseng NPP hakane ke election Lok Sabha Banwan. Habiakren berkilat patai kubor ikong Lyngdoh ilaong bakamdan kano ke Kynthoh Pyrshah kaseng NPP na marba ke jilla kalong kababit kebabiang hapo ke Jingyalam jong kaseng NPP kabalam khamat ya ke sorkar MDA. Ilaong ruba ke sorkar hakane ke Dorbar Assembly beladep kala majpang iki kampen roy baper kibla pentrei hapo ke jilla bat bun na kitanat kila penpau baga jing pentrei ki long ki bayai be yai rinti.
Now, in the fray, we will have coalition partners who are anyways also fielding their respective candidates. We are all in the same government, where the incumbent factor comes. And you still think that we are incumbent? I do not think I have the challenge at all. Everywhere we are going, there is progress and development. I was in Ramrai 7 months back. Horrible condition of road. I went again today or yesterday. There is a perfect road there. Look at our farmers. Look at the groups of farmers that are doing so much better today ever than before. Look at the income generated and livelihood generation of a lot of our programs in the farming sector. They are all indicative that we are progressing.
Chief Information Commissioner Kari India Ohira